Good morning, guys. Good morning, YouTube. Dr. Revs here. Um, Again for a short ride. Again on a Sunday morning. The weather is damn cool. It's cloudy. It's not hot. Perfect weather for riding. No fog. Awesome weather, man. Yeah, this is Nelmangla Bangalore Highway, NH48. It's been a long time me coming back here for a short ride. Actually, when I last came here around 3-4 weeks back, the other part of the road they had roughened up to put a new tarmac. I hope they have put a new tarmac this year. I mean, this time. I see a Ducati in my rear view mirror. I don't know, something Panigale 959, I guess. Ducati red. Yeah, there it is. Damn, man, it doesn't have a good sound. Doesn't make much noise. Sweet noise. People are excited to see people riding on the bikes early morning. So many people wave to us. Everyone has got that gene about bike in their body, I guess. No one waves for a car, but most of them wave for a motorbike. Look at that, those fat tires, man. Wow, I just love fat tires. Another three super bikes are waiting there. That was Aprilia, I guess. RSV. This is Benelli 600i. With those two exhausts by the side of the tail lamp. Damn, RSV sounds good, man. R1. This is also Aprilia. Yeah. Look at the tarmac, guys. New tarmac. Pitch black. One of my favorite spots for having a idli and a cup of coffee. Wow. Look at this accident, man. I heard it was a collision with a bullock cart. Entire thing has been smashed. ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತಂತ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಮರಳು ಯಾವ್ದು ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಾ? ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ. ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಾ? ಇವನು ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ನಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿರೋದು? ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವ 3 ಗಂಟೆಗ? ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವ 3 ಗಂಟೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರಂತ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದವರು? ಅವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದವ್ರು ಏನೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದ್ರಂತ? ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಜೀವ ಏನಾಗ ಪಾಪ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಜೀವನದ ತಪ್ಪು? ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ತಪ್ಪು ನುಗ್ಬಿಟ್ನ ಅವನು. ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಏನೋ ಬಿಡಿ, ಜೀವಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು. Oh, look. Scary, man. Really scary. Collision with a bullock cart which was taking a load of sand. The accident happened early morning 3 o'clock. Today early morning 3 o'clock. Bullock cart with a load of sand was crossing across the highway. From that side the ETOs was coming and it hit the vehicle. It hit the bullock cart. And fortunately there are no lives lost. But whatever, scary, man. Bullock carts, they won't have any lights, so I don't think this ETOs fellow would have spotted it. Wow. And one more thing is, these bullock cart people, I don't think they can anticipate the speed of the vehicle. The speed of the other vehicles which are coming towards them. This is the new line started between Hassan and Bangalore railway line. Wow, such a scenic beauty. One side train, the other side me. ಏನು ಗುರು, ನೋಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ 2 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ABS, man. ABS is a lifesaver. Never buy a bike without ABS. Take my advice. ABS was put into test just now. You saw the video. I was in 120, 130. That fellow took extreme left, and fortunately he saw me and he didn't come so much left also. He stayed almost in middle of the road and he gave me some space on the left side so that I could squeeze in. And I don't know, fortunately I have upgraded my brake pads from the stock brake pads to Brembo sintered brake pads. Even that also helped a lot.